Once again, I welcome you all in this session of practice questions. One more practice paper is there with me, and I am going to discuss all the questions from the complete syllabus of Term 1 exam. The complete syllabus, that means topo sheet, the soils, then natural vegetation, water resources and climate. So let's start with it. You can see there is a topo sheet in front of you and its number is G43S7, and it is an extract of the topo sheet number G43S7. Okay, it is just from Eastings 21 to 30. You can see here Eastings 21 to 30 and Northings 4 to 12. Now the questions are based on this only. The main occupation in grid 2504 given map extract is, what is the main occupation of the people in 2504? Let's see. 25 is this Easting. You can see here, this is 25. Now 04. Let's see now. Where is 04? Yes, this is 04. This is 04 Northing. Okay, this one 04. So we are referring to this part. What is the main occupation of the people? Yes, the maximum area is covered with green part, right? So the main occupation can be forestry. Now next is red line running to the north of Santewada in 2608 represents what? Let's see. North of Santewada 2608. This is 26. Okay, this is the Easting 26 and 08. This is 08. This one is 08, right? So we are talking of this Santewada. A red line in the north of Santewada. This is a cart track. Okay, let's see the option given there. This is a cart track, children. Options are cart track, pack track, metal road and metal road. This is a cart track, no doubt. Then main source of electricity here is solar energy, as it's located in Rajasthan, Gujarat area. Main power line electricity, the wind energy and all of the above. Main source of electricity is actually the main power line. If you can see here, children, very clearly it's given. Pylons are there, it is visible, and it's written here also. Main power line is written over here very clearly. Got it? This is written over here, main power line. Again here, main power line. Clear? So these are actually the main source of electricity. Now come to the next, was the direction of the flow of main river. Let's see which one is the main river. Main river is this only. What is the direction of the flow of this river? Direction of the flow, nowhere the arrow is given, right? Number 2, the tributaries which are joining, you can see here these tributaries are pointing towards south. And moreover, you can easily see the heights which are given here in the topo sheet. When we have to find the direction of the flow of river, we must check the height which are given on at least along the banks, okay, on both the sides of the rivers. So let's have a check of it. What are the different heights given here? 238, 244, 224, 224, then 181, 160, 190. That means the direction is towards south, southwest, because it is coming from east, right? It's coming from east. So, and it's going towards south. So the direction is somewhat, you can say, towards south, southwest. Let's see the options given. Northeast, no. Northwest, no. Southeast, no. It has to be southwest, yes. D is the option for this. Rampura lies on this bank of the river. Rampura. And I told you earlier, it is in the video which I was actually explaining the topo sheets. Banks have to be only the left or right bank. Now, if the river is flowing towards south or southwest, then this is its right bank, okay, this side, and this side is its left bank. So Rampura, you can see here children, Rampura is lying on which side of it? It is lying on the right bank of it. So Rampura lies on this bank of the river. Yes, A is the correct option for this. Right bank. Roadway in grid number 2409 is a national highway, state highway, district road or expressway. Let's see. Roadway in grid number 2409. 2409. This is 24, right? This is 24 easting and 09 is this northing. So here we are getting this. Yes, this is a state highway. It is a state highway, children. Then come to next. Yes, let's see the options. National, state. Yes, state highway is the correct. B option is correct. Next, 175 written in 2510 grid square along a road is a, what is 175? 175 is, let's see, kilometer stone, milestone, contour height or spot height of 175 meter. Let's see, 175 in grid square 2510. 2510, this is 25, okay, this is 25 easting and 10, this is 10 northing. Okay, so we are talking of this. It has to be the distance stone. Yes, because you can see here children, at regular interval the number is mentioned here. So this is no doubt it's a distance stone. Let's see the options given. Kilometer stone, milestone, contour height of 175 meters, spot height of 175 meter. It is kilometer stone. Here it's written 175 kilometers. Next, blue line in the main river indicates. What is the blue line? Let's see. Yes, this is a blue line. You can see here children. Okay, this is the blue line and what does that mean? It is a water channel, perennial flow of water channel. So let's see the options given here. Yes, a canal, no, aqueduct, water channel, siphon. It has to be C, water channel. Main occupation in 2604 is 2604. So let's see the square 2604. 2604, 26 is this one, right? And 04 is this one. So yes, it can be fishery. In this part it can be fishing, can be one of the occupation. Here it's given agriculture, animal rearing. No, these are not possible. Fishing can be the best one, right? And even animal rearing also, because that is actually having the maximum part of it is covered with, you can see here, this area, little forested area. Along with that you can see the water is there, right? So you can give both the options, animal domestication as well as the fishing. Next is drainage pattern in 2407. 2407 is, let's see what is the drainage pattern. 2407, 24 is this and 07, it is undefined children, right? Undefined it is called. Now come to next question. The brown dots in 2609 indicate. Brown dots in 2609. 26 is this one and 09 is here, this one. Now brown dots, yes, it is the sand meter. This indicates the sand. Now next is the black horizontal line between 07 and 08 northings is a black horizontal line. Keep this in mind, horizontal. It should be line of latitude, but let's have a check between the northings 07 and 08. Let's have a check. 07 and 08. Yes, it is a black line, horizontal line. This is a latitude. Next question is, the main purpose to cover the tanks in 2507 is 2507. to cover the tank. 25 is this one, this easting, and 07 is this northing. So you can see here 2507. This is the part where you will find the sandy areas there. Okay, the area is covered with sand. So what is the question given to you? The main purpose to cover the tanks in 2507. Preventing the evaporation of water also, it's correct, and stopping the contamination of water. So A and B both options are correct, that is C will be the correct answer. This region of the map has minimum settlements. Which region of the map? Let's have a check. Which part of the map is having least settlement? In the northern part also it's there, right? Little bit towards this side also. Fine, here also. If you compare, children, on this part, this corner, you will find very less, just a few, 1 or 2 are present, rest all are not seen. So it can be southeastern part. Now let's see the options. Northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast. It is southeastern part. D option. The settlement pattern in grid square 2210 is 2210. What type of settlement pattern? Let's see. 22 is this one, right? This is 22, and 10, this is 10. So what is the settlement pattern? Just 1 or 2 houses or the huts you can see. So this is an isolated settlement pattern. Okay, when this type of thing is there, it is isolated. Next, broken land found in 2405 indicates broken land wherever it's there, children. In the topo sheets, always it indicates the you can say hot and dry conditions. That means the rainfall is seasonal, but it is scanty, right? One thing you should keep in mind: when rainfall is less, that develops into the broken grounds. Actually, broken lands develop there. Okay, and because during one season there is rainfall, and after that the cracks develop over the land. These are called as broken land, clear, or the broken ground. Now come to next. Triangulated height 224 is found in which grid square? 2606, 2706, 0626, none of the above. Let's see. 224. Triangulated height of 224 is present in 224 is visible here. What is this grid square? 27. And what is the northing? 2706. 06 is the northing. Okay, so it's lying in 2706. Let's see the options. Which were the options? Yes, B is the correct answer, children. 2706 is the correct answer. Next, 15R written in 2410 stands for 15R in 2410. Let's see. 15R in 2410. This is 24, right? This is 24. And 10, this one is 10. Okay. Now this grid square we are referring. And in this 15R is written, yes, 15R is written over here. But it is, children, it is showing the relative height of the sand dune. It is the relative height of sand dune which is there in this part. Let's see the option is given or not. Its relative height of sand dune is 15 meter above the sea level. No, it is never above the sea level, right? You can see the options given to you. It is going to actually confuse the children, right? The first option is relative height of sand dune is 15 meter, but after that it has been added above the sea level, and relative height is never taken from the sea level, so it's going to be wrong. Clear? But B is the correct option. Relative height of sand dune is 15 meter. Only this much is sufficient. So B is the correct answer. Not even C and all the above. Nothing. B is the correct option. Okay. So the next question in 2610, the available civic facilities are. What are the facilities available here? You can see now 2610. Where is 2610? This is Easting 26, right? And this is 10. Actually, children, it's in 2611. All these facilities are available, right? 2611 police station, then you can see the post office, then metal road, then electricity, all these things are available. But when we talk about 2610, 2610 is this square, okay? In this only the metal road and the electricity facility is available. Only the metal road and electricity. Try to understand. 2610. Let's see the options given here. Post office, police station, metal road. Post office, police station, metal road and electricity. C option can be correct, but it's not. It is not fully correct because post office and police station are present in 2611, not in 2610. In 2610, just this is present, metal road and electricity. If it would have been 2611, then the C option would be correct. So now let's move to the next question. 2811 has a man-made feature constructed over the stream is used to, in 2811, where is that? This is 28. Okay, this is 28 and this is 11. This is actually meant for crossing the, it is meant for to cross the river. Okay, A option is correct.